One food to add to your diet to help with weight loss, inflammation, immune support, and much more. Yes, we're talking about matcha green tea. So good. Matcha is great for weight loss, helps to reduce inflammation naturally, and helps to boost the immune system. These 3 matcha recipes are so quick and easy to make and offer lots of health benefits. Our first recipe is a matcha green tea smoothie. Let's start by using 1 or half a banana. Bananas are a good source of prebiotics, which promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Let's add 1 scoop of organic plant-based protein powder. I added some off camera. Now let's add a teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. Matcha has the potent antioxidant EGCG, which helps to reduce inflammation and helps to boost the immune system. Add a handful of walnuts, which has omega-3 and lots of antioxidants. Add a handful of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with lots of essential nutrients like zinc, selenium, magnesium, iron, vitamin E, and lots of antioxidants. Add about a cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk has MCT to aid in weight loss, electrolytes potassium and magnesium, and also lauric acid for immune support. Add a handful of spinach. Spinach has vitamins A, C, E, and one of the best sources of vitamin K to help with bone health. You could add a few ice cubes or a few pieces of frozen banana. Add your desired amount of water to thin out the consistency. Just blend. Look at this beautiful color. Now pour your smoothie in a glass to enjoy. So rich and creamy and loaded with antioxidants. This smoothie has so many health-giving ingredients. This is so healthy and yummy. You could also add some chia seeds to this if you like. Cheers to you. So good. Now let's make our matcha green tea hot beverage. My daughter gave me this cute little mug. This only has 3 ingredients, so it's so quick and easy to make. Let's start with your favorite matcha powder. You can use about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon depending on serving size. I forgot to sieve it through a strainer, so you can do so now. Next, add some warm water. Use your bamboo whisk to mix evenly. Next, I'm gonna add 1 packet of stevia, but you can use monk fruit sweetener if you prefer. Mix evenly. Next, we're gonna whisk to put some air into the coconut milk. Add the milk to the matcha green tea mixture. Look at this beautiful shade of green. So healthy and delicious. This is me trying to make a design with the last little drops of milk. I'm trying to get a design with this whisk. Please let me know in the comment section how you get a cute design like a leaf design in your matcha green tea. And also, please let me know in the comments what are the ways you like to use matcha green tea. Now for the third way of using matcha powder. We're gonna make a hot tea. One of the main differences between matcha powder and green tea is matcha uses finely ground powder of the entire leaf, while green tea uses loose leaves or in bags. Some studies show that matcha powder has more antioxidants as compared to green tea. Today we're going to use both a green tea bag along with some matcha powder. So let's start with a green tea bag in a mug. Add some hot water. Green tea helps with brain health, heart health, weight loss, immune support, and much more. Add some warm water to a cup. Next, sieve your matcha powder. We're gonna use about half a teaspoon. If you have the time, it's best to sieve the matcha powder through a strainer to get rid of any lumps. Now use your bamboo whisk to mix evenly. Now pour your matcha powder into the green tea mixture. Remove the green tea bag. This is one potent antioxidant-rich hot tea. This helps with brain health, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, helps with weight loss, and much more. Add a dash of ground ginger. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory benefits. It helps with digestive health, and it also helps with motion sickness. Stir evenly. Next, give your apple cider vinegar a good shake. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Studies show apple cider vinegar helps with digestive health and also weight loss and much more. Add the juice of half of a lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C, helps with immune support, digestive health, and much more. Now stir the mixture evenly. Garnish with a slice of lemon. There you have it, an antioxidant-packed green tea. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my Natural and Holistic Health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.